and welcome everyone to the post-market analysis and market view session for tomorrow by MentorBox. I hope you all have a profitable day today. So my name is Nikhil Doshi. I am a trader and mentor at MentorBox by StocksBox. Over the past 12 years, I have been trading stocks, futures and options using technical analysis. So without further ado, let's start today's video. So this is the Nifty chart. So finally, after a 1 week from last Monday, market has given you a breakout and it has broken the triangle pattern over here. So as I was discussing, a triangle के अंदर ही market घूम रहा है. So market has given you a breakout today. So Nifty is closed about 158 point plus today at 18,053, and Sensex is closed at 562 point plus at 60,655. So big rally on the Nifty and Sensex today. So after a flatter opening in the morning, market, if we just check over here, so let me open a 5-minute chart. So after a flatter opening, market went up. It was volatile. Market, it went up, again came down, and from the bottom level, it again went up at the end. From around 1:20 p.m., market is moving up and it has given you a breakout on the daily chart. But if we check Bank Nifty over here, Bank Nifty is still stable and it has given you a doji closing. So it is not clear-cut sign yet on the Bank Nifty that market Bank Nifty में भी long हो गया है. So we need to check the data of today. आज शाम को जब FI का data आएगा, if you can just see on the money control side कि FI का activity क्या है. Overall, if we just check the activity of FI continuously market में sell कर रहा है. Yesterday on 16 Jan, FI sold worth rupees 750 CR. 13 Jan को 2,400 का CR का selling था. So that means FI is still selling it over here. At the same time, DI is continuously buying it over here. On and on this month, if we just check, 18,000 CR का माल FI ने sell किया है and 13,000 CR का माल DI ने purchase किया है. So FI is on the heavy selling right now. So we need to see the data at end of the day. जब इस पे अपडेशन आ जाएगा, either on the NSE side, if we just check the data, तो जो भी आज का डेटा अपडेट आएगा, अगर FI धीरे धीरे अगर इसकी क्वांटिटी या यू कैन से जो सेलिंग है वो कम हो रही है या तो पॉजिटिव में आई, अगर FI आज खरीद के गया है, दैट मीन्स मार्केट विल गिव यू अ ब्रेकआउट. जो ट्रायंगल का ब्रेकआउट है वो कंफर्म हो जाएगा. So what you can do tomorrow, since Nifty has given you a breakout on the daily chart, कि daily chart पे ट्रायंगल का पैटर्न ब्रेक हो गया है and it has given you a higher high close, कि ये जो कंटिन्यूएशन लेवल था, जो ट्रेंड लाइन का लेवल था, वो ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक करके आज हायर हाई क्लोज हुआ और प्रीवियस डे का जो ओपन था उसके ऊपर भी मार्केट क्लोज हुआ है. So tomorrow what you can do over here, after checking the major FI data in the evening, जो आप मनी कंट्रोल साइट पे आप चेक कर सकते हो, यू कैन जस्ट सर्च ऑन गूगल FI डेटा ऑन मनी कंट्रोल, तो आपको लिंक मिल जाएगी. तो उसमें अगर जाके आप चेक करोगे तो विल फाइंड इट ओवर देयर कि FI बाइंग कर रहा है कि सेल कर रहा है. अगर बाइंग आ रही है, दैट इज अ कंफर्मेशन फॉर यू कि FI भी बाइंग कर रहा है. सो मार्केट में लिक्विडिटी जनरेट होगी, बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी जनरेट होगी. सो टुमारो व्हाट यू कैन डू ऑन द निफ्टी फ्रंट, इफ यू फाइंड अ 15-minute कैंडल अगर पॉजिटिव बनती है, then you can look after for the long opportunity tomorrow on Nifty future. Okay, so you can just look for the Nifty future chart tomorrow morning और 5-day 15-minute का या 15-minute की कैंडल यहाँ पे खोल लेना. अगर 15-minute की कैंडल पहले ग्रीन क्लोज होती है, then above the closing जो भी क्लोज होगा, either you can buy immediately, either if you want to wait for the confirmation, wait for the higher level to cross. जो भी हाई बनेगा वो हाई के ऊपर you can go for a long with the stop loss on the low. जो भी लो बनेगा वो stop loss के साथ कल आप निफ्टी में लॉन्ग कर सकते हो. बट don't look for the swing yet, since बैंक निफ्टी का सपोर्ट अभी भी नहीं है. बैंक निफ्टी अगर कल हायर हाई क्लोज हो गया, कल के दिन में अगर बैंक निफ्टी आपको दिखा देता है कि ये जो डोजी बना है उसके बाद यहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव कैंडल फॉर्म हो गई, तो बैंक निफ्टी भी एक थोड़ा साइन कर देगा कि मार्केट इज लुकिंग हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स लॉन्ग. व्हाई? अगर बैंक निफ्टी हैव अ हायर लिवरेज, एज यू ऑल नो कि बैंक निफ्टी का सबसे ज्यादा लिवरेज है निफ्टी में. अगर बैंक सेक्टर वर्क नहीं करेगा, बैंक सेक्टर अगर ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, तो निफ्टी पे भी प्रेशर आएगा नीचे जाने का. तो दैट्स व्हाई बैंक निफ्टी इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर जाना अगर शुरू हो गया तो निफ्टी भी ऑटोमेटिकली उसको सपोर्ट मिल जाता है. So tomorrow we can look for the long on the Nifty, but not on the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty के लिए और एक दिन वेट करेंगे. So patience is the key to succeed in the stock market. कि stock market में patience is important है. जब तक ये ब्रेकआउट लेवल नहीं बनेगा या ट्रेंड डेवलप नहीं होगा, तब तक मार्केट में ट्रेड करना लिटिल डिफिकल्ट है. इंट्राडे टाइप का मार्केट था. So now the trend is developing on the Nifty. So we can look after tomorrow morning for a long opportunity on the Nifty, and Bank Nifty we will wait for one more day to close. अगर ये positive close होता है, then Bank Nifty also we can look after for the long on day after tomorrow. So tomorrow it's a long sign for the Nifty. You can look after for the long opportunity. अगर सुबह नहीं भी मिलती है तो आफ्टरनून में अगर कोई इंडिकेटर कंफर्म करता है लॉन्ग के लिए, then you can look after for the long. आज मार्केट में ड्यूरिंग द लाइव मार्केट आई गॉट टू अपॉर्चुनिटीज, वन वाज लॉन्ग एंड वन वाज शॉर्ट. अगर मैं 5 मिनट का चार्ट देखता हूं तो इट वाज अ इंट्राडे मार्केट. एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो कि मार्केट लाइव मार्केट में अगर जब साइडवेज होता है तब लाइव मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट होती है. अकॉर्डिंगली वी कैन डिसाइड. सो राइट नाउ रेंज ब्रेकआउट है, सो यू कैन लुक आफ्टर फॉर द लॉन्ग टुमारो मॉर्निंग इमीडिएटली आफ्टर 15 मिनट, और you can just wait for the confirmation to come and then you can go long. आज का अगर मूवमेंट देखता हूं, so it has generated short in the morning around this level at around 42,187 on Bank Nifty future. अगर देखता हूं मैं, both Bank Nifty future and Nifty future both has given me entry. So one confirmation was around here. ये वाला जो दोजी बना था, दोजी के बाद नेगेटिव कैंडल बना, उसके बाद दो पॉजिटिव कैंडल बने और मेरा यहाँ कंफर्मेशन आ गया. This was the confirmation. So entry was around here. Stop loss was around on the top. वो top के बाद you can see the movement it went down and hit my trailing stop loss. So same way आज long भी बना था. You can see over here two negative candle followed by the big positive candle buying आई यहाँ पे. So it was a long around here. Stop loss was around on the down. This was my stop loss. And after that, it has given you a decent move over here. Two entries was there on the Bank Nifty. Nifty पे check करता हूँ, so I'll show you the Nifty future. So this is Nifty future chart. Same thing. यहाँ पे दो green के बाद एक negative बना था, so entry was around here. Already I have marked the horizontal line. Stop loss was at around here. Same way, long मेरा कहाँ बना? वही level पे जो Bank Nifty में बना. Long was here and stop loss was here. So I got two moves during the live trading days. Whoever part of my live trading room who got this trade over here. So this was the two trade which has been initiated during the live market. Overall दोनों तरफ का मार्केट था, तो दोनों तरफ की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. जैसे मैंने बताया कि 40 के 50 पॉइंट के टारगेट के साथ you will find the opportunity on the Nifty, and about 60 to 70 points on the Bank Nifty front you got the opportunity. So this is the view. Tomorrow you can look after for the long on Nifty. Bank Nifty you can wait for a while. That doesn't mean we cannot trade intraday. Intraday की अपॉर्चुनिटी जैसे आज जनरेट हुई थी, कल भी जनरेट हुई थी, वैसे ही सेम वे ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट अवर्स अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी जनरेट होती है, then you can look after for the same. On the Bank Nifty you can look after for 60-70 points. On the Nifty front you can look after for the long target. थोड़े से टारगेट के साथ, ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस के साथ, throughout the day you can wait. You can't wait for 40-50 points. You can able to earn more than that as well. Okay, so Nifty is a long candidate for you, and Bank Nifty we can see it on the intraday chart. The stock specific, if we see, yesterday I have given you 3 stocks, that is Gland Pharma, FSN e-commerce, that is Nykaa, and High-Tech Pipe. So 2 went on small profit and 1 has given me a small loss. Net it was on the level side, no loss, no profits. छोटा सा एक loss हुआ है. Let's see over here on the trade log. Gland Pharma, again it has given me an entry at 1433. Okay, so the trailing stop loss got triggered in this. So small profit has been booked over here. The trailing was at 1432. Okay, so it has been booked about 1 rupee only. I got it in this, and then I have FSN e-commerce, that is Nykaa, which has all given me a decent profit. It was short, was initiated on the 15-minute candle at 135.45. Stop loss was way up at 141, and slowly it was trailing over here according to the PSR point. We'll see it on the chart as well. Okay, so on that I have made it about 882 rupees, and on the high tech pipe, it has given you a good move in the morning, but trailing stop loss got triggered at 921, and it has given me a loss of 1122. So net about 94 rupees in the loss today. So overall, since last week, if we just check, overall there is a profit of 28,825 on a capital of about 2 lakh rupees, and in a capital of about 20 lakh. If you are working with the 20 lakh capital, then you can able to earn about 2,88,000 within a last Friday. We have started this series over here. So this is the view over here. Team stock has been executed. Let's see one by one more time. Gland Pharma, let's see quickly. 5 minute pay, you can see it is triggered over here, but after that it went down 1391 or 1388 tak chala gaya. Okay, we have booked about 1433 since our trailing stop loss got triggered over here. I'll show you where it got triggered. The last trail was at around 1433 and it got triggered around here. Take bada move in the morning only. So sorry, not here. Around here 1433 in the morning. ये वाला जो last lower low का trail था around here on this candle. Okay, this was the level. यहाँ पे एक बड़ा मूव आया और बड़े मूव में ये स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो गया, and after that again it went down and down only. So overall still downtrend is there, but we have already made good profit on Gland Pharma since past few days. So just stay away from this tomorrow because already almost target के आसपास है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे fib extension draw करूंगा, so almost target के आसपास है. I will not get a good amount of risk to reward tomorrow. So it is better to stay away from this now. Tomorrow we'll see it after day after tomorrow again. Okay, so Gland Pharma was the first stock, then Nykaa, FSN e-commerce. It has given me a decent move. At end of the day 359, I need to get out from this trade. So throughout the day I was trailing lower low. आप बोलोगे यहाँ पे हिट हो गया, नो, my stop loss was trailing at the last. ये जो lower low बना था, the stop loss was at around 136, and after that again it given me a lower low close and I have started trailing my stop loss at around 320, 315. I have squared off my position at 133. Since the intraday ki position we closed down at around 315, so we have squared off at 133. So Nykaa has given me a decent move. So Nykaa tomorrow also you can look after for the short opportunity in this. We'll see it on the tomorrow stock. So one more stock I have given to you is High Tech Pipe, which has given me a decent move. बड़ा move आ गया था आज सुबह. For that reason, I think my stop loss got triggered. Trailing stop loss got triggered after a good move in the morning. यहाँ पे मेरी entry develop हुई on the 15-minute chart. तो मैंने क्या बोला था? First 15 minute आपको देखना है. This was the entry and stop loss was on the day low. And after that, I was trailing according to the 5-minute parabolic SAR. And I got out on this higher high. यहाँ पे मैं out हो गया. Okay, around 921 level के आसपास I was out from this trade, which has been initiated at 938. So I made a loss on High Tech Pipe, and other two I have made a small profit. Net no loss, no profit today. So this is the review for yesterday's stocks. What to do tomorrow now? What are the stocks you can trade tomorrow? One is Nykaa, the continuation of today downtrend market. I'm expecting Nykaa around 88 over here. This is the overall target for the Nykaa I'm expecting. If I'll just check. So till that time, we can look after for the short opportunity in this. कि Nykaa यहाँ पे जो last move आया था, if I'll draw this extension over here from this to this to this, so 137.60 के नीचे 123 is my first target, 109, and after that 100. I'm expecting about 88, but overall short term you can expect about 123.40. So we can look after for the short opportunity tomorrow with the target of 123.45 on Nykaa. So first candle negative, go for the short on Nykaa again tomorrow with the stop loss on the day high. The other two stocks, one is L&T, which is giving me a breakout. You can see the reason I have written it over there. So L&T is broke all-time low, all-time high, not the low. So sorry. Yeah, breakout and closing on all-time high. long if 15-minute candle is positive. So LNT का chart अगर देखता हूं, so with the volume it is increased today. You can see over here from 2141 level to 2214. Big rally on the daily chart. In a one day, it has moved about 70-80 points. So 80 points का move आ गया और जो ये previous time का high देखोगे, the high was at around the 2211.60. ये वाली जो candle का सबसे highest point है, that is 2211.60. You can see on the top H it is written 2211.60. And what is the closing price for today? Today's closing is 2213. So it has been given you a breakout with the volume. So I can look after for the long opportunity on LNT with the long target. You can expect it over here. Okay, between 2224 to 2266. Okay, कल अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर डेवलप होती है तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग 2240 to 2266 is your target. जो 161.8% है, that is your target. Since it is giving you a breakout with the volume, I can look after for the long opportunity on LNT. LNT का ऑर्डर बुक वगैरह फुल होता है. आप बोलोगे न्यूज आया है, मेट्रो का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, ये सब है. So everything is included in the chart today. So it has given you a long sign over here. So you can look after for the long opportunity on LNT. Then Adani Power, you can look after for the long tomorrow. So Adani Power अगर check करोगे, so it is retracing at 61.8% on the daily chart. You can see over here, it has given you a positive close followed by the negative close. But आज ये वापस breakout हुआ है ऊपर की तरफ with the volume higher. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे positive close था, but volume was decreasing over here. Now it has given me a positive close with the higher high close and the increasing volume. So I'm expecting a long on the Adani Power Limited for the short term as well, for the intraday as well. So intraday में अगर कल पहला candle positive हो गया on a 15-minute chart, so we can look after for the long opportunity on Adani Power tomorrow. Last में आप check करोगे तो it is moving towards on the upside, uptrend follow कर रहा है. Other indicator is also confirming it. So it is look like a long opportunity tomorrow on Adani Power. So two stocks you can look for the long, LNT and Adani Power, and Nykaa you can look after for the short opportunity tomorrow. So that's all from my side today. So for more such ideas on stock market, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates.